It's kind of just always been like a calming presence because I've played it for so long. It's like if I'd get frustrated or something, I'd go play basketball. I broke my right collarbone in a basketball game, diving for a ball. Me and this other kid dove for it, and my shoulder hit his body, and it just snapped. I didn't think it was as serious as a break. I thought it might have just been like an AC joint sprain or something. I definitely thought the season was over, and it hit me pretty hard because my brother's a senior here, and he's played basketball with me all 3 years I've been on the team too. So we've been together, and then all of our friends are on the team, so we've been together our whole time. And then I go in with Dr. Kiritsis, and he tells me, oh, you might have a chance to play this year. And I was just exhilarated having the chance to play basketball again.
As a former athlete, it's good to be able to relate with the young athletes in what they're feeling. I know emotionally what they're going through. I've been through it myself. And so I think it's really important to try to reassure them that they're going to be okay, that it's going to get better, and that they're going to be able to come back quickly. And I think that plays a big role in their rehab. Once they realize that, okay, they can be fixed and they can get back to the sport that they truly love, it puts them in a better emotional place. He had a very displaced clavicle fracture, so the collarbone here was broken and very shortened, and the bone wasn't in a position where it would heal on its own. And in that case, it would require operative treatment. And we apply a plate and screws to that bone, line it up again, put the plate and screws on there. And by rigidly fixing that bone back into its anatomic position, you can allow it to heal and heal well and quickly and get these athletes back to their sport in a fairly reasonable time.
It was great, especially considering I didn't think I'd get there at all. Just game before playoffs, being back out there with my teammates.
It's fun to be able to take care of athletes from the same school that you went to, both, for me, honestly, both from a high school level and a collegiate level, because I take care of University of Richmond as well.
I think it's really cool, especially considering he played in this gym here too. 2 different generations of Monacan athletes.
Wanting to try to get him back to playing the sport that he loves, I think it meant a lot to me. And it's just a nostalgic feeling, I guess, to help treat somebody that is playing in a place that I played basketball.